Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to actually design, create, and publish your app in 60 days or less. And you do not need any special coding. You do not have to spend hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars to hire somebody to do this for you. It will be me teaching you how to do this. And I say in 60 days or less because it took my app from start to finish when I had no experience, nothing, me working full time. I was able to do my entire app myself in about 40 days. So not quite 60 days, but my app though was a pretty simple one. So that's why I say 60 days or less, and it's possible. So I will be teaching you guys all of that. I'm not here to sell you guys anything else. I'm not here to do any of that. And I say that because I have watched a lot of webinars lately where I come across, those sponsored ads and it sounds amazing. I want to take a course, but for 45 minutes out of the 1 hour course, they're just pretty much trying to sell me something else. So I just kind of felt that I wanted to say I'm not here to sell you guys anything else. So just a little bit about me for 2 minutes. That's it. If you haven't seen or heard any of my videos yet. So I have pretty much started working for myself online since my late 20s. I've never thought anything of it. I didn't think that I had a certain skill per se, but I am a very motivated person, and that takes me very, very far. And I allow that to help other people do the same thing. So I was working in the healthcare industry since I was 19, and I love it. Okay, I do. I love it. But it was pretty much the more you work, the more you get paid. And even in my mid-20s, I kind of said to myself, oh my goodness, I'm exhausted. Like at the end of every single day, I was exhausted. You have to make dinner, you have to do this, you have to do that. I could barely walk through the door. I was so tired. And this is my late 20s. So if you plan to work until you're 65, oh my goodness, I was in for a long road ahead. So I just basically took the skills that I had and did whatever I could to make money online. So yes, I was one of those people that signed up for every single direct sales company out there trying to make money. And yes, I do feel they work to an extent, but you always or usually end up spending your own money to make money, right? So yes, that's how it works in some cases. So you might be making a couple $100 at the end of the month, but you had to spend a lot of that to make that, right? So, but anyways, that's another talk for another day. But I have been tutoring actually dental hygiene and dental assisting students since I was 19. So a while now, and I make a full-time income doing that. But this is where everything started. So I pretty much taught myself how to make a website, taught myself how to create my own online courses so that I could teach people online and not have to go to their house. Also meaning that I could teach people from anywhere. So it's a pretty amazing thing. So it took me, yes, a couple years to make a course, but now my students purchase them all the time and I do nothing. And I sell a course for around $379 Canadian. So I do nothing and it sells itself. But this is what we'll be talking about today, is the app process. So this app development is a new thing for me, but it has already made me, if I can say this, a small fortune. So that's why I want all of you to do the same thing. So I will be teaching you guys exactly what I did. So how to design, how to create and publish your app to make money in 60 days or less. Because for my dental hygiene and dental assisting students, as an example, they have been asking me for years to make my own app with mock exam questions. So then that way they can study from their cell phones. And I've looked into it a couple times throughout maybe the past 5 years, but I had always come to the same thing where, well, I have to hire somebody to make the app for me. I'm a control freak and I don't always know how to explain what I want. So I just had, I'm pretty sure that me trying to explain to somebody the type of app that I wanted wouldn't look how I wanted it to look. So the nice thing that I will be teaching all of you guys is to make it look exactly how you want it to look. But this isn't easy, okay? You do not need any special skills per se, but there's a certain program that you do not have to pay for, by the way. That's, I would say, a best kept hidden secret, because not a lot of people know about it, but I will be teaching you guys that. So I will be teaching you guys how to make your own icons for the app, your own images, your own templates, everything, and you do not have to pay for it, okay? The only thing that you will have to pay for is a small fee to put your app online, okay? But that's just how it is. I mean, even I have to pay a small fee to put the app online, but I will also help you through that, because that's kind of hard. But I will pretty much help you guys through it every step of the way, okay? So if you guys are interested, you guys can go to my website, and I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom, andreaturowski.com/app, so app.html, and sign up under here, and then I will send you an email right away. And I do this because I don't just simply want you guys to sign up and then you're like, oh my God, I'm so overwhelmed, I don't know what to do, because there is a full course showing you guys step by step, and then I will actually help you guys every step of the way too. So if I have to, come on every, like Thursday evening, Saturday morning, whatever, then I will do exactly that, because it's one thing to sign up for a course and then you pretty much have to do everything, right? That will not help you. You might need some extra help with this, but I promise you, when you get the hang of it, it's super easy. So let me know. I will leave the link for the website for you guys on the bottom, and then I will get in touch with you right away, and let's get started to get this app ready. So it doesn't matter what type of app you want, I can help you, okay? So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one.